We have a 2002 Yale forklift. The model is a GLC040AF. Has a 4,000 pound base lifting capacity. Runs on propane fuel. Has non-marking cushion tires, good for use on any solid surface, either indoors or outdoors. They won't leave any marks on the ground. Has an automatic transmission. The mast is a 3-stage mast. It's 83 inches when collapsed. Forks to lift to a maximum height of 189 inches. It's just over 15.5 feet. Good for high lifting applications. It has 42-inch long standard forks. Mast has tilt function forward and back. It also has side shift function to move the fork carriage side to side. Yale forklift's been serviced by our forklift technicians and is ready to work.